Hello there. My name's Wes Curtis, and I teach photography and 3D art here at Manual High School. This is a quick, dizzying introduction to my classroom. We do traditional film photography, and when I'm lucky, I get to teach some 3D art and make some cool stuff like that.
Hello, I'm Doug DeWeese. I teach drawing and painting at Manual High School, and that includes freshman drawing and painting. I also teach printmaking classes. I've been here for quite a while, taught here for quite a while, and this is my room where it all happens. Thank you so much for coming.
Hello, this is Cindy Young, and I teach sculpture and ceramics as well as some design thinking at Manual, and wanted to welcome you all and give you a little idea of what you might expect from the 3D program. So we do all sorts of things from welding to woodworking to assemblage to ceramics to casting to carving to learning to use power tools, etc., etc. And I hope that you will consider joining us. Thanks.
Hi, my name is Julie Klinkenbeard. I teach drawing and painting classes for VA sophomores, juniors, and seniors. I teach Art 1 for non-VA majors, and I teach AP Art History, which is available to all seniors. Welcome to VA. Hello, we're excited that you would like to apply to the Visual Arts program at Manual. Here's how. First, you need to go to the JCPS website and complete the Options and Magnets application on that page. Then you can go to the Manual website at dupontmanual.com/magnetapp.html. Scroll down to the bottom and find the Visual Arts tab. When you've clicked on the Visual Arts tab, you will find all sorts of information about the materials that you need to apply. At the very bottom, you will see the button that says Apply Now, but please make sure that you've read through all the materials and you have everything ready to submit before you begin your application. There are a variety of materials that will be required to apply. You need to complete a portfolio quality essay that answers the prompt, "Tell us about your specific moment or experience that inspired you to apply to the Manual Visual Arts Magnet and how that moment or experience directs you toward your future goals." There is also an activities and interest survey, 2 teacher recommendations, an art questionnaire, and several art prompts that you need to complete. When you begin to apply, you will see a Google document that looks like this. There are places where you can fill in your name and contact information, and places where you will upload the files for your different documents. When you are finished, your screen will look like this. There are 3 different drawing exercises you will be asked to complete at home. The first is asking you to draw your closet using a pencil or black tip marker. These drawings should be contour drawings, meaning that they are only outlines with no shading. You should be paying close attention to the edges of objects, things like the wrinkles in clothing, the way different objects overlap each other, and so on. A messy closet is ideal for this project. The more details, the better. Your second exercise will be to draw a utensil inside a clear glass filled with water. For this exercise, you can use any household utensil like a spoon, a pair of scissors, or a fork. For this project, you should be shading. Look closely at where highlights and shadows are within your objects. Your third exercise is a design exercise. You will use a 3-inch piece of black paper on white paper. You can cut shapes out of your square of black paper and mirror them on the white paper to create a complex design. The more intricate and detailed, the better. We are looking for high levels of craftsmanship as well as an even balance of positive and negative space. Again, the more creative, the better. Lastly, you are asked to submit a portfolio of 3 artworks that you have previously completed. This can be works that you've done at school or things that you've done at your own, as long as it's something that you are particularly proud of. You can submit these in whatever digital form works best for you, but we highly recommend you create a PowerPoint or Google Slides document with all 3 images. Along with your images, you should include the dimensions of your artwork and the media or materials are used. Please also make sure you have taken a high quality image of your piece. Make sure it's well lit, make sure it is cropped